Hi, I'm Andrea Beaulieu. Let's talk about slides. When you use them in your presentation, make sure they're there to augment whatever it is that you're presenting and not to give the whole story away, not to give all of the data. If you have a lot of information to share, think about putting it in an online form that someone else can then access either during your presentation or afterwards, or have a leave behind if you want them to have access to it when they walk out the door. This is a much better thing to do with all of that data and content, because truth is none of us can read all of that and listen to you at the same time, and we want to listen to you. Hope this has been helpful, and remember, all the world's a stage and all the men and women players, so make sure your play is authentically yours. See you next time.